do birthdays derail us? Why do we crave rich chocolate delights, creamy pastries, buttery breads, delectable desserts, yummy cocktails, and love our bubbles? Birthdays are a time of great joy and festivities and celebration, and they often go hand in hand with decadent foods and drinks that are rich, indulgent, and luxurious. And more importantly, high in sugar, fat, and calories that can derail our health goals if we let them. So why are these indulgent treats and sweets and sugary sips so deeply satisfying? During the excitement of birthday celebrations, we get caught up and often overindulge despite knowing better. So why do we do that? And better yet, how do we stop doing that? What is the correlation between indulging in decadence during birthday celebrations and its effects on our health? So let's find out. Indulging in decadent foods and drinks during birthday celebrations gives us immediate pleasure and satisfaction because it taps into our pleasure centers that trigger feelings of comfort, happiness, and nostalgia. Once we cultivate a strong, health-driven mindset, we realize that these decadent foods and drinks we are indulging in are short-term pleasure that can have major impact on our long-term health. Most birthday foods have extremely high levels of saturated fats, cholesterol, and sodium, especially in traditional and conventional indulgent treats. And this combination of sugar and fat activates those pleasure pathways in our brain. And this leads to feelings of pleasure and a temporary relief from stress and emotional discomfort. We need to keep on top of our thoughts and our mindset and remember that these chemically laden and unhealthy foods can have detrimental effects on our overall health and our mental well-being. We often get caught up and overindulge despite knowing better due to the powerful influence of immediate gratification and emotional triggers and even social pressures when our mindset is not cultivated in health. We often get caught up and overindulge despite knowing better due to the powerful influence of immediate gratification, emotional triggers, and even social pressures when our mindset is not cultivated in health. When we focus on a health-based mindset, we no longer desire to consume these high-calorie, sugary, fatty, carb-loaded foods in excess, which can contribute to weight gain, changes in our body composition, and even increase chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and asthma. Check out my video on respiratory health. We need to understand the correlation between decadent food and drinks and our health. We need to have our thoughts powerful enough to override our desires. If not, these decadent and indulgent foods and drinks can cause rapid spikes and crashes in our blood sugar levels, which deplete our energy levels, leaving us feeling fatigued, irritable, and sometimes craving more sweets. I made a cravings chart. You can grab it for free in the description below. Finding a balance between indulgence and health during birthday celebrations is possible when we make mindful choices and practice moderation and portion control. By prioritizing portion control, moderation, and choosing healthier alternatives, we can enjoy birthday celebrations without harming our long-term health. When we allow ourselves to enjoy smaller servings without overindulging, we feel the same satisfaction with less guilt. By being mindfully connected to our food and what we are consuming, we can savor each bite and flavor without negative self-talk that usually comes with overindulgence. When we focus on moderation, our stomachs won't be overly full from being overly stretched. Striking a balance is choosing healthier options. When we do this, we won't be experiencing acid reflux or bloating. We can do this by swapping out sugary desserts for fruit-based options. We can head to the salad bar and load up on nutrient-rich veggies instead of breads and butters. Sips of champagne and sugary cocktails can be swapped for mocktails and fruit-infused carbonated water. And remember to always keep hydrated with water. By adopting these strategies and listening to our body's cues, we can enjoy celebrating birthdays guilt-free while still prioritizing our health and our well-being. So here are some tips in throwing a birthday celebration with healthy options, which can be fun and rewarding. Consider healthy menu options by offering a variety of nutritious options such as fruit skewers, veggie platters with hummus, whole grain crackers, plant-based cheeses, salads, mixed nuts, seeds, popcorn with coconut oil. Set up interactive DIY food stations where guests can customize their meals and their snacks. For example, create a plant-based taco salad bar with fresh veggie topping options. A dessert station where guests can assemble their own fruit skewers. Or build your own smoothie bowl station with various fruits and nuts and seeds and plant-based yogurts. Offer some healthy dessert options like a watermelon cake or vegan carrot cupcakes. I have the recipe on my YouTube channel. Fruit sorbet, coconut yogurt parfaits with fresh berries and nuts. Guests can keep hydrated with a variety of refreshing drinks like infused waters, herbal iced teas, or homemade fruit spritzers. And always have plenty of water on hand for guests so they can drink it throughout the party. Create a relaxed and mindful eating environment. You can set up designated seating and table areas where guests can just sit down and enjoy their food. You can send guests home with healthy party favors, such as homemade power bars, fruit leather roll-ups, or a small bag of trail mix. By incorporating these healthy tips and ideas, we can host a birthday party that celebrates health, wellness, and we can still have fun enjoying healthy indulgences. Hi, I'm VeRAWonica, and today is my birthday, and that's why I made this video on how to deal with birthdays and indulgences the healthy way. I'm a mindset shifter, I'm a fuel style queen, and I'm a lifestyle coach, and I hope that I have inspired you to consider opting for and offering healthier options at birthday celebrations. You can grab my free cravings chart and my free mindset shifters called mantras in the link in the description below. You can access the blog on this topic also in the link in the description. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. And if you're interested in more info on how to live a rawlicious life, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be putting out more mindset, fuel style, and lifestyle videos absolutely free that you can access without a subscription. Want to learn more in depth? Want to learn how to transition into a healthier plant-based fuel style? Want to get coached by me? Check out my online resources and contact information in the description below. It's time to take your health up a notch and to take it to the next level so you can change your game. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I'm VeRAWonica, and full day of celebrating. So have a raw amazing day.